Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about fonts. I'm going to show you how to get fonts from Canva. So open your Canva app on your phone, and then you can see that when you open Canva there are so many designs, that templates that Canva has provided. So just go over the designs, anyone that you like, just click on it. If you see anyone that you like this work from home, I think I like the design, so I'll click on it. And then when I click on the font, I'll just see the font down there. I'll check it, it's reading, then I'll write it down if I like it. If I don't like it, I'll just leave it. Check the other one, value bold. Okay, you can use it for headings, but you can use this other one for artistic designs. So this is how I get, like, my cheat way of getting and many fonts and expanding my library. Like, this is a sure way, it works. Just open as many designs as possible, as long as whether you're using pro account or free account, as long as you're not downloading it back to your phone, it doesn't matter. What you just want to know is that you want to know what kind of font did they use for this design heading, what kind of font did they use for the body of the text, what kind of font did they use for one thing or the other. Because one thing you have to know is that your font convey your feelings, and if you use a wrong font, maybe for a fun outing, maybe picnic or getaway, something fun or birthday, you use over serious fonts for them, sometimes it doesn't really make sense. So, and also maybe something like horror movies, those kind of movies, you cannot just use play fonts for them now. You have to use really serious fonts for them. Or you want to watermark your product, there are kinds of fonts to use for different purposes. So I hope you learn how to get fonts without paying for them like 1,001 fonts. Okay, so I've gotten like two fonts now, that's value bold and breathing. So I'm going to use them to create a simple design, and you'll see how it will come out. You just have to use your font in many ways. You don't really need to add too many fonts in a particular post. You can use the same font and use them in different formats. In a font, you can use value bold for the heading, then you can use value bold, value light for the body. You can use, or you can use value condense for the body and use value light for a quote or anything. Just don't use one in one post, in one design use like 5 different fonts, it's too much. You can use one font and use it in many ways: italics, caps, small letter, those kind of things. Yes, so I hope you've learned something today. Don't use many fonts in your design. 2 to 3, it's okay for you. Just alternate their fonts. Maybe use italics, use small letter, use capital letter, use bold, and you just play around with it. And don't forget to expand your font library. So I'm just going to play around with these fonts. I'm just going to use only value bold and building for this design. And at the end, we're going to see how beautiful it will turn out. So I'll do just few things. You can also search for fonts. Like, when you've gathered many fonts, you can change the ones on your previous designs, play around with it. You see, when it comes to graphic design, you may not know it all at once. You're waiting to know it, or then you will fail. What I usually do is that if I come to Canva, sometimes in my free time, I will play around with the designs I see there. Sometimes I will also see something on my social media that I like, maybe a graphic design for a program that I like. I'll definitely copy it and come to my Canva and practice. So if you want to be a great designer, you have to continue to practice. Even though you don't want to be making income from it, you want your social media to look so good, like you want your content to be branded, you can always do it by yourself without having to pay for these services. Something that you can learn. You can watch YouTube videos and they will teach you how to use Canva. Although I'll still make more videos on Canva. I've just made one last week on color, so you can check it out. I will also add the link on the description of this video. So just play around. You know that you can curve your text, you can do whatever you want with your text. It's all up to you. But the important thing is that don't be stereotyped. Play around with your phone, and then don't forget that your phones convey the feelings of your design. So if you liked this video, or if you enjoyed or learned one of the things, I'd like to hear them in the comments. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video across your social media channels. And also try to recreate this video. If you recreate it, you can tag me on my Instagram account at blissful notes. Yes, just tag me to the Instagram account. I will see it and like it. So this is the picture, and I've added a free gift for you. It's a font gift, so play around with it. And we've come to the end of this video. I'll see you in another video.